Previously, we implemented anonymous login with Firebase. When the widget is initialized, we listen to the user changes stream to get the login status. Each time the login state changes, the callback function added by the listen method is called. In the callback function, we use setState to update the value of current user and notify the framework to rebuild the widget. Current user is used to store the state of the widget. If the user is logged in, it's a value of type user. Otherwise, it's null. Depending on whether current user is null, we selectively show a sign-in button or an avatar with a sign-out button. Let's see it in action. Sign in, sign out, and then sign in again. This works, but it's a bit cumbersome to maintain the state of a StatefulWidget. Also, we have to remember to manually cancel the stream listener, or it can cause a memory leak. Is there a better way? Yes, there is. Let's meet StreamBuilder. It's a widget that can manage the state for us and automatically subscribe and unsubscribe to a stream. In this video, we'll try to replace the stream listener with a StreamBuilder widget. If successful, we will no longer need the StatefulWidget, as well as the listen, setState, initState, and dispose methods. Sounds good? Let's get started. The documentation for StreamBuilder seems to be a bit cryptic, but it's actually very easy to use. In the build method, we'll return a StreamBuilder widget. It takes two required arguments, stream and builder. For the stream, of course, we want the user changes stream from Firebase off. As for the builder, it needs a callback function where we define the interface to display. Let's copy over the existing content. The snapshot argument gives us the most recent data. Originally, current user was a state variable, but now we can get its value from snapshot.data. Alright, our StreamBuilder is ready. Now we can remove all the unnecessary code. This includes the old return statement, the dispose method, the initState method, the current user state variable, and the subscription state variable. Because it's not necessary to remove the stream listener through stream subscription, the Dart async library is no longer needed. Finally, since we don't have to manage the state ourselves, we can convert StatefulWidget to StatelessWidget. Wow, that's a lot of code. Before trying it out, there's one thing we need to change. When displaying the avatar, we rely on current user, but it's no longer a class-level variable, so we need to pass it through a parameter. Let's add a current user parameter to the buildUserProfile method. Its type should be nullable user. And then pass in the value of current user on the caller. Now we can try out the new implementation. Save the file, restart the app, sign out, and sign in. The app works the same as before, but our code has been reduced by half. Why is StreamBuilder so powerful? Using the ID's Go to Definition feature, we can easily browse through the source code. You can see that StreamBuilder extends StreamBuilder Basic. And StreamBuilder Basic in turn extends StatefulWidget. Sound familiar? Looking down. Here a listener is added to the stream using the listen method. When the data changes, it uses setState to update the state variable and notify the framework to rebuild the widget. The listener is added in the initState method and then removed in the corresponding dispose method. To remove the listener, the cancel method of stream subscription is used. As it turns out, StreamBuilder basically does the same thing as we did before. It's not magic, but it does give us a lot of convenience. However, in our example, we've only scratched the surface of what StreamBuilder has to offer. So I'd like to talk more about it in the next video. Bye for now.